Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use Leonardo.ai to its fullest advantages. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, let's talk about Leonardo AI. What is Leonardo AI, you might say? Leonardo AI is a generative AI platform that empowers users to effortlessly generate captivating images and artwork with a specific emphasis on game assets. With a focus on accessibility, the platform offers free usage with limited daily tokens, allowing users to explore their artistic capabilities without financial barriers. By customizing image generation costs based on quality and quantity, Leonardo AI offers a flexible and affordable solution for digital artists. Today, we're going to delve into the features of Leonardo AI and its practical use cases for digital art and game developments. After heading to Leonardo AI, you need to sign up or log into an account. For this example, I'm just gonna use my Google account. You can also use the Apple and Microsoft, or if you don't have any of those, you can just sign up right here. So I'm gonna use my Google account for this example. Just choose your preferred account. After successfully logging into Leonardo, I'm presented with the featured model page and the recent creation page. So up here, you're gonna be able to see the examples of what you can make with the different engines right here. So this one is the photoreal engine. This one is the Dream Shaper. You can also generate one here that is 3D animation style, Anime Pastel Dream, RPG V5, and Absolute Reality. So when I scroll down, I'm gonna be able to see the recent creation of other users. So for example, this one, a cyber predator in the year 2099. So I can copy their prompt right here, and I can also use image to image and remix. So for another example, we're gonna choose another one, for example right here. A huge number of dwarfs march up an extreme long ringing spiral staircase with handrail and creepers. So you can do whatever you want here, guys. With all that being said, let's now proceed to the AI text-to-image generation that Leonardo offers. You will spot AI generation right below user tools right here. So you're gonna click the AI generation. You're gonna wait for it to load in. After loading in, you're gonna be presented with this page right here. So don't panic, I'm gonna be explaining everything to you. So first thing we have is our prompt right here. I'm just gonna type this post-apocalyptic dark and hyper-realistic burning/car. So this is my prompt. It's supposed to generate whatever you put in this. And to generate images, you're just gonna click on here, generate. I'm gonna click on this just for an example. So just with those two steps, we're able to create these two fantastic images right here. With the basics out of the way, let's now proceed on the more advanced options that we can do with our images. So first, let's use this example, a tropical island shore with cliffs, closed moon over the ocean. And to add more properties to your image, I'm just gonna add here a comma. I'm gonna add a cinematic look to it. I'm also adding a hyper-realistic prompt to make it look lifelike. And I'm also adding stars to make it look real. With this prompt, we have a lot of options on how we want our image to generate in. The first option we have is the number of images. This changes on how many images do you want the AI to generate. So I'm just gonna use 4 as an example. So be mindful, guys, if you change any of the settings, it's gonna cost more token. So for example, if I click 2, it's gonna cost me 8 tokens. And if I choose 4, it's gonna cost me 12. So be mindful of what you're spending your tokens into. Let's now try generating our image with this prompt. The next option we have is photoreal. So photoreal is their latest innovation, a powerful pipeline designed to generate hyper-realistic photos and lifelike portraits. I'm gonna present a generation of photoreal with these examples right here. The next one we have is prompt magic. So what this does is it increases the image fidelity and can improve the output with any chosen model. It increases token use due to higher GPU overheads. So what this does, it really helps you with your image generation, especially when you're just typing here in prompt. It helps you with those long prompts that you're generating. The second one we have is this alchemy. So I suggest you explore this on your own, guys. Right here we have the high resolution. I can turn this on or I can turn it off. We have the expanded domain. We have the contrast boost. You can slide this slider. We have the renaissance. You can turn off alchemy right here by just clicking on this purple button, but I suggest for you to leave it on to generate higher and more clearer image. The next image we have is this public images. So you cannot disable this, guys, unless you're not paying for a paid subscription. So there's no problem with leaving it on. This just means that the people are going to see what you're creating right here. The next settings that we have is the input dimension. In here we could change the resolution that our image will generate in. We could choose between these 4 options, or we could customize it manually by dragging on the slider. We could also change the aspect ratio just below those sliders. Just click on it and you could choose between all of these options right here. The last setting that we could adjust is the image to image. I just uploaded this street of New York as an example. I could adjust the slider right here. What this does is the higher the init strength, the more it will preserve the original image. I suggest leaving it at 0.3. So think of this as an opacity slider. I'm just gonna type my prompt up here and I'm gonna change the alchemy into the highest resolution that it could handle. And I'm also changing the aspect ratio into 16.9. I'm gonna click generate right here. Let's see what happens. So with everything tackled, let's now talk about on how we could export those generated images. For this guide, I'm just gonna select this first one as an example. Below that image, you're able to see multiple options. Delete image, download image, copy to clipboard, and zoom image. However, this will cost you some tokens. You can even remove your backgrounds right away. For this tutorial, we're just gonna click on the download image and it's gonna download instantly. I can click on it and use it right away, as you can see up here. So that is all for today's topic. I hope this video helped you a lot, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I hope I see you in the next video. Peace.